Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We're chilling. It is bright and early in the morning and I am at a Star Wars collector con. I have no idea what to expect because I've never been to something like this, although I'm very excited. I've never been to something like this. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. I really hope to find maybe some master replica stuff. Funko Pops would be cool, but I really want to find maybe like vintage Star Wars collectibles, even though I hate to call it vintage because it's just like the 80s. I really hope to find some good stuff. I hope to find some good stuff. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, but yeah, let's go in. Okay.
I'm a huge Black on
So much Black series. One thing I love is Star Wars clothing and hats. I might need this. This is a listen along or read along to Return of the Jedi on a 45. This is amazing. A lot of Star Trek stuff, and these, which are pretty cool. Oh my gosh, growing up I used to have these bed sheets. So many Funkos. 2020 celebration, a scout trooper on a speeder bike, Obi-Wan Kenobi, K-3PO.
The one she said in her is like
super cool. Oh my gosh. Grievous.
It's too much for me. It's like...
I have officially spent way too much money. This is bad. This is when I see a stormtrooper. Oh my, you look great. I am getting pretty hungry. I might have to go soon, but I have an entire bag of so much stuff. So much.
Oh, no.
How much for the Jabba Chia pet? I have like a Grogu Chia pet, but nothing compares to this.
It was a Star Wars Celebration exclusive. It will.
Thank you so much. I think so. I'm having a wonderful time. However, I've spent way too much money. You don't get to go to these things all the time, you know? It's like one of those things where these only come around once in a while. One more go around, see if there's any vintage Star Wars clothing. There's this. Oh my gosh, that's signed by Ralph McQuarrie?
Better believe it.
Oh my god. This one is signed by Ralph McQuarrie. And this. Incredible. Not only have I spent too much money, I need to go get some lunch. I feel ashamed. I have never made so many... Hi! Promise you won't be mad. Please, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First thing I got was actually a gift. The guy gifted me the small because I knew too much. Well, I couldn't pass this up. I saw this, I couldn't pass it up. Really cool. And then I got this Return of the Jedi 45. It's story, music, and photos from the Return of the Jedi. And it's like, you can read along and listen to it on the record player. Forever, I will have Return of the Jedi engraved in my mind. Topps trading cards. Hopefully we'll get something good in these. We'll open them up in a second. This is an episode 1 hat. Phantom Menace. Cool hat. Now I have way too many Phantom Menace things. I don't want to talk about it. So that was the stuff in the first bag, in this bag. Okay, this is single-handedly the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. This is one of 700. It's a Star Wars Celebration exclusive. It is a Darth Maul salt and pepper shaker. And it separates at the waist. And this is the last thing I got. Promise you won't be mad at me, please. It is also a Celebration exclusive. I got a Jabba the Hutt Chia Pet. Literally the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a Star Wars, Star Wars Celebration 2019 exclusive. So the first one, let's open this one up. We got Bounty Hunters, the dreaded Darth Vader, Luke Skywalker. Next one, we got a Star Destroyer. We have Vader. This is a foil card. This is not a sticker. It's a foil card, but it's Chewbacca. Wow, fitting. The Mighty Jabba. The Mighty Jabba. A perfect note to end on. I'd say this trip was pretty successful. Now I have to go get lunch because I'm starving and I didn't have dinner last night. I'd say this trip was successful. I'm only a little bit disappointed in myself, but it was worth it. Oh my god, and check out Paging Mr. Morrow's video. I was in his video. There were people around me. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, night, wherever you are. And may the force be with you. May the force be with you. I'm gonna go eat some fried chicken and mashed potatoes. I love you guys. Bye.